Hello and welcome to another Cars.co.za drag race. I'm Ciro and Ash. Over there is Ashley Oldfield and we're about to quarter-mile race to German saloon sports car things. But before we do that, I just wanted to tell you about the Cars.co.za app. It's brilliant. It's the #1 auto app in the App Store and it's completely free. Go and check it out. I got all the stats for today's race on that app. So what are we looking at here? Audi RS 5 4-door Sportback versus the brand new M3. Now I should say up front that this RS 5 is quite old. I think it's been on the market for about 5 years. This is the facelift though, but it's still got the same engine, same amount of power. V6 turbo, 331 kilowatts, 600 newtons, and we're weighing in here at about 1.6 tons. Over there, the brand new M3. It's quite a lot more powerful. 375 kilowatts from its straight 6 turbo, 650 newtons. But both cars have the same 0 to 100 time of 3.9 seconds. I've got all-wheel drive, and that is the rear-wheel drive M3 competition. So I definitely have an advantage off the line. So we'll do a standing start and a rolling start to make it a bit more fair. Place your bets. Who do you think is going to win?
Right, M3 competition, the new one with the teeth on the front. Biggest change, gearbox. We now have a conventional auto, which should make launch control less aggressive and less likely to spin up the wheels, but we're still having a few problems with traction off the line. So expect the Audi to jump us and we are going to perform the reel in. That's the sign for the reel in. But it really just does depend on the launch. Hasn't been great, I gotta say. Tires are relatively warm, so yeah, even got a slight tailwind today. It's rare this end of the world. Cool.
Ashton, you ready?
Let's make a drag race.
Who's your money on here?
If I get moving in the same time as you, this will win.
Okay, cool. All right, the Audi's ready.
BMW's ready.
Right, let's do a drag race, guys. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, and we're away. Absolutely destroyed the BMW off the line.
Launch control was junk. Oh, we're off. Audi's gone. Oh, we're spinning. Still spinning. Third. Oh, we did not get a good launch, but we are closing in a little bit. Here we come. Here we come. Is the line going to come soon enough? Oh, not quite, not quite.
And we're crossing the line at 192 k's an hour. The Beamer was coming back, but nope, he had no answer for me. This Audi is a monster.
Oh my word, that's a hiding. Sure, it did do 196 across the line though. The car is so fast after the launch, it just doesn't launch. What must I do? It says launch control. Junk. If you want to buy a car that gets off the line, buy an Audi or a Mercedes Benz. Not a BMW M3 or M4. Yeah, let's try the rolling now.
Okay, so Ashley does not like losing. It's not in his DNA, and he has insisted that we try this all again. The Audi destroyed the BMW on the standing start quarter mile, and that's because we just can't seem to get that thing to launch properly. The official launch control program sucks. They're trying to launch it manually, it just lights up its rears. So we are going for a rolling race now, and I think this is going to be a lot closer. Very excited.
3, 2, 1, roll off.
Rolling races are quite challenging.
Ready for the go.
Got to get line up at the same time.
Go!
And we're off. Hit the limiter there in second.
Oh, it lost traction a little bit.
But I've kind of got him here.
Look for the lights. Yep, away we go.
He's pulling away a little bit though. Oh, there's those extra kilowatts kicking in.
Jeez, it's upwards of 170, we fly away.
But I had him for most of the drag race. I'm so impressed with this Audi.
Yeah, this car's quick at the top end.
Sure, that was a good race. Thanks very much for watching. If you've just watched this video but you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you absolutely should do that immediately right now. Click the subscribe button. It's a good idea for a bunch of reasons which I actually don't have really a lot of time to go into. But it's good. It's a good idea. Excellent. Thanks for watching. I said that already.